Welcome back to Lights, Camera, Studio in 30 days.
Now comes the fun part. We get to put all of this together.
Our revamped empty room is about to transform into a fully functional video studio. We've got acoustic panels going up, stained to match our studio aesthetic. Blackout blinds are being installed to control the natural light.
Our multiple color backdrops are being mounted, tripods are being assembled, microphones are being set up, and our lighting features are now being put into place.
Once we had everything assembled, the next challenge was connecting it all to work cohesively. Cameras, laptops, microphones, lights, they all need to work together seamlessly.
And to top it off, we're assembling all of our new furniture too. Comfortable chairs for our podcasting station, an adjustable height table for various video types, and all the desk supplies for our webcam station too.
We will still have more to put together as we tweak the little details. And we have to test all this out to make sure everything is working correctly. We want to produce the highest quality audio and video.
We are closing in on our final steps of our 30-day studio build. Stay tuned for our final 2 steps.